Hey guys, people wanted to know how I upload my videos to YouTube. So the way I upload my videos to YouTube is I don't do it through the YouTube uploader or the YouTube, like where you can drag and drop your file into it. It takes forever for it to download, and stuff. So in this video I'm going to show you how I upload videos by using the free YouTube uploader, which you can download at dvdvideosoft.com. You'll need to sign in with your YouTube username, and then what you do is go to File. So I want to add this one, new video that I've made. You can change it from here. So let me just do that. Right. Let me just control. So that's that, and then you just edit this bit. You put in your tags, whatever you want. I'm just put mine to private, and then next, and then all you do, click upload. It will start uploading, as you've seen by here. This is 1%, 3%, 4%. See, it's going as fast as your internet does. So if I refresh my YouTube, my Create Studio, it will say Marvel Spider-Man Walkthrough Part 10, which will be uploaded, which will go live soon. So yeah, that's how I upload my videos. I'm getting near to 100 videos, so I'll be doing a giveaway once I reach 100 videos.